Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about how to create a pad on the side, hole only on the other effect in EasyEDA. Sometimes in PCB design, you run into special situations. For example, you might have a pad that only needs to be soldered on one side, while the other side doesn't need copper, just a small hole. This kind of design is very useful for certain electrical connections or mechanical structures. So how can we achieve this? There are actually two common ways. Method 1, using a multi-layer pad. First, go to top menu and select pad. Then place one on your board. By default, it's a multi-layer pad. On the right-hand properties panel, you can customize the pad size. The trick here is to make one layer's pad diameter slightly smaller than the drill hole. For example, if your drill hole is 36 mm, set the top and inner layer pad diameter to 35 mm. This way, the top pad gets completely eaten up, leaving only the hole, while the bottom pad is still there. The result, one side has a pad, and the other side is just a hole. Method 2, single layer pad plus wheel. This one's even more straightforward. Place a pad, and in the property panel, change its layer to a single layer pad, then add a wheel at the same location. This lets you control the pad and the hole separately, achieving the same pad on the one side, hole only on the other effect. To sum up, if you want to pad only on the side of your PCB, you can either adjust a multi-layer pad size or use a single layer pad combined with a wheel. Both techniques are super flexible and make it easy to handle special pad layout in your design.